What makes some brands feel like they're always one step ahead while the rest of us scramble to keep up? The short answer is that they're using smarter tools to talk to their audience. Today, one of the best tools happens to be the Chatbot. Stick with me because we're about to see why these little conversational dynamos are taking marketing by storm. I'm Noel with Jotform, and in this video, we'll walk through exactly what chatbot marketing is, the major perks it brings to your company, the steps to build a winning strategy, and the tools and metrics that keep everything humming. Let's jump right in. Chatbots have become such an essential part of business automation. We'll break down the definition in everyday language, explore how their role keeps expanding, and show how companies of every size can benefit. You'll also pick up practical, field-tested steps for creating a chatbot marketing plan of your own. By the time we wrap up, you'll feel confident using chatbots to engage website visitors, guide them smoothly through the funnel, and keep your overall marketing machine running more efficiently than ever. So what exactly is chatbot marketing? In simple terms, it's the practice of using automated messaging tools powered by artificial intelligence to chat with customers. These bots act as the first line of communication, answering questions in seconds and smoothing every step of the customer journey. Thanks to natural language processing and machine learning, bots don't stay static. They continuously sharpen their understanding of how people phrase questions, get better at pulling the right reply out of your knowledge base, and even spot patterns in user behavior. As a result, chatbot marketing has earned a starring role in modern growth playbooks because it scales effortlessly and keeps costs low while your engagement soars. Let's talk about benefits. First, customer engagement increases because a chatbot is always on. No more frustrating pauses while someone digs for an answer. Your bot handles that in a snap. Second, lead generation and qualification improve when the bot collects key details, segment contacts, and nudges them toward the right funnel. Third, costs drop and scalability rises because one bot can juggle countless conversations at once, which means you don't need to staff an army of support reps for the routine stuff. Why do so many experts call chatbots the future of marketing? For starters, personalization happens at scale. An AI-driven bot studies user behavior and tailoring recommendations, promos, or answers so each interaction feels one-to-one. Then there's 24/7 availability. Bots don't sleep, so night owl shoppers get the same quick response as someone browsing mid-morning. Finally, cost efficiency. Spinning up a bot is far cheaper than hiring and training a big support crew, and it frees your human team to tackle complex, high-value questions instead of repetitive inquiries. Industry reports agree. Automated conversational tools are on track to become a staple in every successful marketer's toolkit. Ready to build your own strategy? Step 1 is defining your goals. Decide whether the primary mission is generating leads, offering customer support, driving direct sales, or a blend of those objectives. When your objectives are clear, you can craft conversation flows that lead visitors toward the outcome you care about. Step 2 is identifying your target audience. Dig into their pain points, preferences, and communication style. Figure out which channels they love. Is it Messenger, WhatsApp, your website chat widget, or somewhere else? Matching your bot's presence to your audience's habits ensures its messages resonate authentically. Step 3 involves designing conversation flows that feel natural. Map out a friendly greeting, common follow-up questions, and logical branches that guide someone from curiosity to resolution. Use straightforward language, keep the tone warm, and weave in gentle prompts to gather details like name, email, or product interest. Step 4 is testing, optimizing, and refining. Launch the bot on a pilot channel, collect feedback, and watch performance metrics. Tweak wording where people stall, refine responses that miss the mark, and let machine learning improve accuracy over time. Remember to integrate the bot with your CRM or email software so data flows straight into your standard workflows, triggering the next marketing touchpoint automatically. Now, let's look at 5 standout tools that make chatbot marketing easier than ever. First up is Jotform AI Agents. With zero coding, you can turn a traditional form into a dynamic conversation. Pick an existing form, train the agent using documents or URLs you already trust, then fine-tune everything in the Agent Builder. The result is an interactive bot that asks and answers questions in real time while it collects data. Want inspiration? Browse hundreds of templates in the Jotform AI Agents directory to see how other businesses run with it. Next is Intercom. This robust platform goes beyond chatbots by bundling marketing automation and customer support features into one place. Its bot can qualify leads, hand off tricky conversations to live agents, and personalize every interaction by drawing on detailed user data in the Intercom CRM. Drift claims spot number 3. Known for conversational marketing, Drift bots ask targeted questions that capture leads the moment prospects land on your site. Real-time notifications let sales staff pounce on hot leads, and if the prospect wants a human, the conversation transitions smoothly to a live agent. Fourth is Tidio, a favorite among small and mid-sized businesses. Tidio blends live chat with chatbot automation in one dashboard, greeting visitors proactively, suggesting products, and recovering abandoned carts. Integrations with Shopify and WooCommerce make it a powerful ally for boosting conversions. Finally, the Jotform AI Chatbot Builder rounds out the toolkit. This builder lets you create branded, interactive chatbots that guide visitors through any form-filling process on your site. Train the bot with FAQs or specific data sources, adjust colors and logos to match your brand, and enjoy instant responses that streamline submissions and reduce user errors. Of course, deploying a chatbot is only half the job. You also need to track its success. Keep an eye on 4 key performance indicators. First is response time. Aim for near-instant replies to maintain a smooth customer experience. Second is engagement rate. Tally how many visitors actually interact with the bot to see if your prompts are enticing. Third is conversion rate. Measure how many users perform the desired action, whether that's subscribing, purchasing, or booking a meeting. Fourth is customer satisfaction. Gather feedback at the end of conversations through quick ratings or mini surveys. Use your platform's analytics dashboard to monitor these metrics in real time, iterate quickly, and keep your chatbot aligned with evolving marketing goals. Chatbot marketing isn't a passing fad. It's here to stay. When you know your audience and set crystal clear objectives, you can craft a chatbot that delights users and drives real results. Explore chatbot marketing tactics that fit your unique needs and future-proof your outreach. And if you're eager for an intuitive builder that makes customization effortless, check out Jotform's AI-powered solutions. The seamless design and powerful integrations can take your campaigns to the next level. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'm Noel, and this has been another Jotform Deep Dive. If you found value here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you never miss a fresh insight. I'll see you in the next video.